and counter suspension of key national officers who were statutorily central to the conduct of congresses, primaries, and the transmission of a candidate's name to the Independent National Electoral Commission created a level of uncertainty that directly impacted the planned schedule. In the light of the foregoing, it has become inevitable, indeed unavoidable, that the PDP governorship primaries earlier slated for Tuesday, December 2, 2025, can no longer hold as scheduled. It is equally important to restate for the record that Governor Adeleke remains the sole aspirant who purchased, submitted, and was duly screened in line with the party's official timetable. However, because of the internal crisis rocking the national interest of our party, the information at my disposal is that Governor Adeleke may not any longer be interested in seeking the nomination of the PDP for the 2026 Osun governorship election, except a resolution recognized by INEC is reached within the INEC timeline.